In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into one of the most fundamental and useful function in Excel, the sum function. Whether you are new to Excel or looking to refresh your skill, understanding how to use the sum function is essential for working with spreadsheet effectively. So, alright, let's jump right into the Excel, and I have a simple spreadsheet open here, and you can follow along with your own spreadsheet or use the one provided in the video description. Okay, so the sum function in Excel is used to add up a range of number. It basics like the sentence. It's simple. If I type here the sum function, right here the sum, and here we use the number one, number two. You can include as many numbers as you like within the parenthesis or separated by column. You can also select a range of cells. Okay, so let's select this one and close it with parenthesis, then hit on the OK. Now you can see the according to our range, and this is the total number of the cells, and here we got the total in this with the sum functions. Okay, so Excel also offer handy feature called auto sums, which automatically suggested a range of number for you to add. So let's see how it works. If I take my cursor in here and go to the auto sums, and now here it selected the range automatically, and here gives you the total cell report in there. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial on how to use sum function in your Excel spreadsheet. So thank you for watching.